Today, I'm going to introduce the WCM Development Kit 1. This development kit is designed to help an embedded engineer leverage a cloud-based design with a simple but effective demo. The demo kit leverages Amazon's web-based services known as AWS. In this video, we are going to show you how to find Microchip's AMI on Amazon's AWS Marketplace, launch your own EC2 instance from this AMI, configure your WCM demo to access your local router or access point, and then run the demo. Getting started, you will need to obtain an AWS account. Go to aws.amazon.com to set one up. Also, it is good practice to consult your IT department about using external services. Once this is done, check to make sure that your router or AP is on and that you have access to the internet. Then go to aws.amazon.com/marketplace. In the search bar, type Microchip and hit search. You should then see a link for the Microchip WCM Demo AMI. Click on the link. The first page will show information about the AMI and provide you with a link to the End User License Agreement. Click Continue. Next, you will be able to select many settings that you can customize, but there are only two that you will want to pay attention to right away. First is the security group. We have provided you with limited ports that need to be opened so that you can select this as a recommended setting. Next is the key pair. If you have never launched an EC2 instance, you will need to click on the link to go to the control panel. Once in the EC2 key pair page, you will need to create a key pair. For this example, we called ours Demo. Once you have your key downloaded, you can close this web page. You will not need to use this key for the demo, but you will need it to access your EC2 AMI that you have started. Once back on the launch site for the AMI, you will need to refresh your page to make sure that your key you just created is listed in the key pair box. Next, click the Accept Terms and Launch with One-Click button. This will start your EC2 instance based on the Microchip AMI and will bring up a subscription page. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for your instance to be ready for use. Once it is ready, you can click on the Manage AWS Console link, which will start a new tab in your browser. There is a lot of information about the EC2 instance on this page, but we are concerned with one piece of info, the public IP address. This can be found once you select your EC2 instance on the screen showing. Write this IP address down and start a new tab in your web browser. Enter the IP address you just noted down. The web interface for your server should now be on the screen. The next step is to provide power to the WCM demo board. This can be done with batteries or a USB cable. For initial setup of the WCM, or to put it in factory AP mode, hold the S1 button down while turning on the power to the board. LED D5 will blink, indicating that it is in AP mode and can now be configured. Using your computer, select the AP generated by the WCM board. It will start with WCM_soft_AP. The rest of the name is part of the MAC address, which is unique to each board. Once your computer connects to the demo, go to the IP address of 192.168.1.25. Select Configure Network on the web page shown. Select Other Network. Select Infrastructure Radio button. Type the name to your AP or router. For this demo purposes, ours is called WCM_demo_AP. Select the type of security that you will be using, and then enter the IP address that you wrote down earlier in the box provided. Click the Join button, and you will be prompted for the passphrase for your router or AP. Your WCM is now configured. The WCM demo will now light LED D6 and have circular pattern on the LEDs. This indicates that it is in the process associating to the router or AP that you have chosen. When it is done associating, it will connect to the server that you have entered your IP address for. When you change the LED on the web page, you will see that they change on the demo board. As this has required the board to poll the server for the change of status, there are normal latencies seen based on the software of the demo. When you press a button, you will see that the status of the web page also changes. Several buttons can be pressed at the same time, but the software in this demo was designed to send a separate message for each button. There is also a potentiometer on the corner of the board that can be used to change the value on the web page. As you can see from this short video, setting up a simple cloud-based solution can be done very quickly with the WCM Development Kit 1. More information on this development kit or other cloud-based reference designs can be found at www.microchip.com. Thank you for watching.